Look at the Lord's Prayer. The fourth and fifth lines say, "Your will be done on earth as in heaven." In heaven, everything is perfect. On earth, we can choose between good and bad. We have free will. We have a freedom of choice. We can cuss, go after money, eat what we want, drink what we want, watch injustice reign, do drugs, be unaware of evil. Here you have choices. Here you have temptations. In heaven, or in the next plane, you don't. If God made earth as in heaven, there wouldn't be any place for Satan or evil. If the Lord's Prayer is true, and I have every reason to believe it is, then Satan's days are numbered. My name is Earl. To read more of what I've written, go to epettibone.wordpress.com. Good night, and God bless.